Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning how to use PACCAR ESA, the Electronic Service Analyst. This is the official diagnostic software for Kenworth and Peterbilt trucks. Plug your adapter into the diagnostic port and turn the ignition on. Open ESA and connect. The software reads the chassis number and loads the exact configuration for that truck. PACCAR trucks use a multiplexed electrical system called Nexiq. Lights, gauges, and switches all talk over one network. ESA is the only proper way to see inside the system. Run a scan and ESA lists faults from every module on the truck. Each code comes with a clear description and history. Start with the oldest faults, they often explain the newer ones. The live data screens show the state of every switch, sensor, and output in real time. Wiggle a harness while watching the values, and intermittent electrical problems reveal themselves fast. With component tests, you command outputs directly. Turn on lamps, cycle relays, and test gauges from the laptop. If the component responds, the wiring is good, and you just saved an hour. ESA also programs chassis parameters, from lighting behavior to PTO settings. Customize the truck for the job it does. Always document the changes you make for the next technician. Tips for PACCAR electrical work. Bad grounds cause the strangest multiplexing faults, so check them first. Keep battery voltage healthy during diagnostics. And keep your ESA data files current for new trucks. And that is how to use PACCAR ESA on Kenworth and Peterbilt trucks. We provide the full version with remote installation and activation support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.